Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to cover the drip campaigns inside Go High Level. What it does is that if you want to send 1,000 people some email, you won't be sending all of them in a single moment, but rather you would choose another approach which is called drip campaigns or drip approach. In this approach, you send emails in drips, for example, in batches. If I select the drip as now, I am inside the Go High Level workflow. I have added a contact tag trigger, then drip mode action. I can select that by just typing drip, and here you can see the drip action. I'm not going to add that because it has already been added. So I will give you a scenario and you will better understand that. What happens if I add, I've already told you that 100 emails are coming in here, and what it does is that it converts those 100 emails in 10 batches of what size? Of 10 size. So in single batch, there are 10 people and there are 10 batches. So that makes 10 multiplied by 10, which is 100. So after 1 hour, those 10 people would be sent this email, this particular email, or those contacts will be sent, below this action. So they are allowed after 1 hour, 10 contacts are allowed to move forward this particular action. So now we will be covering the another drip action, which is inside the contacts. So let's move there. Right now I'm inside my contacts tab, and if I select all these contacts, all these 4,910 contacts, and trigger an automation. So I will use the term EA automation. This is an option, send in drip mode. So what it does is that I can select the time, I can select the number of messages per batch, and after repeat, which is something like so I'm going to send them all in a single trigger. I will try to send them in a workflow in a drip mode. Testing 1, 2, 3. If I send them in a drip mode, I can choose the number of messages per batch and also the time duration. The time limit. After what time the drips will be processed and added into the automation. So that's it. The drip campaign is done, and I'll see you in the next video.